How to log into Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank online banking account. First of all, open any browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in www.adib.com. Now press enter on the keyboard. Now you will land on the official interface of ADIB Bank online. Now click on the login button at top right corner of the screen and select your account. Either your account type is personal banking, e-trading, ADIB direct or ADIB wealth. For now, let's select personal banking. Now let's cross mark this and then you will enter on the section. So if you haven't registered to new ADIB internet banking, you can click on this button. Otherwise, if you already have registered to ADIB internet banking account, click on already registered button and then here the login page will appear where you have to enter your username and password. If you forget username, select this link, and if you forget the password, you can select this link. If you haven't yet registered, click on sign up and register. So enter all the credentials on the section. Now click on login button and you will successfully log into ADIB internet banking account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.